Hey guys, it's your girl Kay and I'm coming back to you with another wig review. We can just get right into it because I love this wig. I think it is so dope and I know that you guys are going to love it. But before I get into that, I'm gonna say if you are new, welcome to my channel. Again, it's your girl Kay. And if you're a returning viewer, you know that I love you. I always tell you guys that I love you because I really do love you. I really do love you, love you, love you, love you long time, okay? So with that being said, we can get back into the review. So this is the unit here, and this unit is from Outre. I did buy this unit from Sam's Beauty. The unit is called Phoenix, but I feel like the name really complements the color. I mean, Phoenix, you know, the color of the hair, it just really goes. Or am I just cheesy? The color that I got is the 3DRFF Flame Copper, okay? I will have the details on this unit below, okay? Now that you were able to see the unit from the outside, seeing the beautiful color of the hair, now let's get into the wig construction. Again, this is just the basics, nothing special about it at all. You know, adjustable straps, you already know, I don't even need to say it. This is the unit after you cut the lace. I love this color. This is definitely more of a fall color now that I have it on. But I love this color. First of all, I love the dye job that I'm seeing in these wigs lately. But also with this wig, I do also notice that there are also those flyaways. So I think it's safe to say that with a lot of the synthetic units, that can be a thing. Probably not across the board, but it's obviously a thing because it's the second one today and it's like the same material. It's synthetic. Since I already cut the lace, I'm just gonna, I like to do this. And I think I would need to do my cornrows flatter because I'm pretty sure I can get this wig to lay flatter. I'm looking down because my mirror is right here, but I want you guys to see what I'm doing. You know, I like to pin it down. So, let me pin it down. Pin it down, pin it down, pin it down. Pin it down, pin it down, pin it down. You look at it and it just looks so orange, but actually there are some yellow brown hues mixed in with this color, and in person, I don't know if the camera's really picking it up, like it is just so gorgeous. Alright guys, so now what I truly think. I really love this. First of all, let's get into the length. You can see it comes to the boobs. And I don't know if you guys can see those hues of like the yellows and the browns in there, but do you see how pretty this is when the light hits it? It's so cute. It's so like, ugh. So I'm loving this. Now, the pros are the color, the pros are the style. I think you can get longevity out of this wig. I am getting a little tangle, but not not major tangling. Like I have gotten some units that really tangle out the box. I'm not getting that with this, but the hair is definitely tangling and shedding. That could be due to me cutting the lace, but I think this is just a shedding unit, a unit that will get a lot of shedding like I'm getting right now. This wouldn't be for me cutting the lace because I'm running my hands through the back of the unit and I'm getting hair out every single time. So I do get a lot of shedding with this unit, but I would still wear this. Honestly, I would really wear this a lot. I think this unit is the bomb. On camera it looks one way, but in person this wig is hot, 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 flaming Cheeto orange. Like, but it's really in a really nice way. Like they did a really good job on this unit and I really love it. It is big head friendly. I think that you can wear it, you can get a good bit of wear out of it, but you are going to get that shedding. This lippy that I tried is drying my lip. Dang. Definitely get down in the comment section and let me know if you like this unit. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm always down to chat with you guys. I love you. This unit is everything and I think that you're gonna love it and I know you're gonna look good in it. And if you get this unit, send me pictures of you in it. That's a thing that I wanna start doing. Like, send me pictures, sis. I want to see this unit on you. Bye, I'll see you guys later.